Are you in your weight loss journey and you're tired of meal prepping? Do you know you can make oats with microwave? Hi, this is 112 to 80, the real story, and we're back again. Are you a 9-to-5 worker and you're just tired of meal prepping? This can help you to make oats quick. Because this was my only breakfast this morning, I had to do oats with chia seed, bananas and eggs. Mind you, I didn't soak my chia seed overnight. I just put hot water with the microwave and left it for 20 to 30 minutes to get the texture I wanted. I used normal water from the seaway, put it in the microwave for 3 minutes first because the oats were big. After a while, I brought it out, but I didn't like the texture of what I wanted, so I put it back for 2 minutes. Here's the important part. You need to watch it because when it gets full, it can open the lid of the plate, the cover of the plate. So you have to always monitor it. It's for a few minutes. 2 to 3 minutes is not a big deal to watch. I didn't like the texture here, so I put it back for 2 minutes and just waited. So after the next 2 minutes, I got the texture I wanted. And I put my chia seed, a little bit of sugar, milk, a little bit of milk. That's the smallest milk I guess you can get in Nigeria. And I used bananas and eggs. Mind you, you can use your own toppings. This actually is a high protein packed food. Chia seed keeps you full, so everything is just a perfect meal. If you don't believe me, you could Google it. This is for people who are in their weight loss journey and still want to keep their bodies toned. Do you understand? When you're doing strength training and all of that, you need meals like this. Fast meals in the office. Who is with me here? Are you gonna try this and tell me the toppings you can try? Bananas, eggs, you can use apples as well. So proteinous, very healthy meal. Trust me on this one. This is very healthy and so easy to make. Subscribe to my channels. I'll be posting more easy meals to make, especially on your weight loss journey. And affordable, very, very affordable. Bye for now. This is good. This is good.